All right, everybody, welcome to, this is the first video on this channel, actually. Today we're gonna be installing the Rough Country dual catback exhaust for my 2012 Tundra up there. It's already on the lift. I had already got the old exhaust off. I had to do some cutting and stuff like that, but the old exhaust is out, ready for installation of the new one. And I have all our stuff over here. Comes with everything you need to put the whole thing together. Piping all the way from cat's back, and gives you two options. You can run dual side or dual rear exhaust, which is super convenient, super nice. But I have all my parts laid out here, stuff like that, clamps, everything. And yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. One thing I did forget to mention is that this kit does not come with new gaskets for your exhaust. So if your exhaust is new, if your truck is new and you're planning on replacing it, it shouldn't be a big deal. But these were pretty worn out, and they typically will be if you have an older model truck and you're replacing your exhaust. So if you're doing this, I would highly recommend looking into getting some new gaskets for your exhaust before you put it all together. Did come out cut out for some apparent reason. I don't know what happened, but I was just not trying to figure it out, and I was just trying to get this figured out. Definitely you need an extra person here for the muffler, to hold the muffler, and get some of these pipes in the back. It's a little rough, but yeah, I got these in. Nothing's really tight yet. I just dry fit everything, but your two pipes going into the muffler. I wish I would have been able to explain all this along the way. Two outlet tubes, one goes up and over to there, one goes up and over to here, and then there's a pipe that goes around that you have to put your own hanger in for. So let me go one here. This comes down, this hanger goes into one of these, this comes with it, and you have to bolt that up to the top of your cross member. And there's more I gotta put on, obviously. I'll show you guys the rest of that. This one comes over and down next to your springs. And yeah, out the back. But I'll show you the rest of that now. I just want a quick update, show you guys how everything was coming together and how everything's supposed to look, in case you're installing one of these for yourself. right, so this is the final product right here. Looks pretty good, honestly. I had a slight issue with one of the tubes was bent a little too much, so it looks a little different, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. But yeah, I will put a clip right after this of what it sounds like. Honestly, it doesn't sound too much louder than it did last time when I started it. I just notice it more when you get on the gas and you get into it, and that's when it sounds really good. But yeah, here's a clip. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Comment down below what other kind of videos you want to see with my truck or any kind of other things like that. Drop a comment. I'm curious to see what you guys want to see. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.